With most Pfaff machines, your feeding and the pressure of the foot is going to be pretty set. On a rare occasion, you might need to adjust your foot pressure, how firm this foot comes down on the fabric. Now, most of the time we just use that IDT, the part that is engaged in the back. But there's times where we might be using a foot that does not let us use the IDT. And if we go into the settings, so touch the picture with the tools, you can go over to the sewing settings by touching the straight and zigzag tab. And notice that you have automatic pressure foot lift, but right above it is pressure. So if you don't want it to lift up every time, that's actually where you change it. But the pressure of the foot can actually be changed to be more or less. Now, I have actually adjusted this from time to time when I am free motion quilting, and I want that foot to either come down further or be a little higher. Sometimes when I've used ruler work, foot and rulers, I've had to adjust that to get it to really be set for the right settings that are nice and balanced. But just by changing it, you can get to different settings. 6.5 is normal. You see that by the white number as it starts to change to yellowish numbers. So you will need to play with that. It is not a very common thing that you need to do with this machine, but just know that you do have the option to change the pressure of the foot.